niyahlanya mina ngicela yazi Busi ngicela ujoine iTikTok like angithandi kuya live ku IG.
I can't. It does not allow me to pay.
Yeah, let everyone go to my account. I'm live on TikTok.
No, like Ubusa can create any account. Why?
Hold your place. Yo, get that dude.
No, guys, I'm like this every day. If you don't know me, yeah, I'm like this.
Show me vela kanjani lapho.
Like, I thought they pooping.
Uthi kanke galo ngathi ngisepupeni. Also, uyaphuma manje toilet uzokwenzani?
How you toilet now? Anyways, guys, my name is here. No. You've got to be composed.
Yo,
okay?
guys, sanibona ninjani?
You've got to be composed.
Mara compose kanjani wenza lezi zinto lezi?
I know to me every day.
Phela ngisho abakwazi.
Like, you should know.
Do you know what they say on my TikTok account?
Yeah?
Bathi mina ngisicelela ubusi, hayibo. Wanaka. Bathi bazicelela wena.
Guys, I'm not a real person. I'm AI.
AI.
Like it's TikTok, I'm like
AI, I'm only real.
Yeah, and then if li feel like really boreile mojo, like lesa computer luna la bua man. I don't like rude people, eh? And mina ngizoniphendula ke. Ngizwa.
Uzomphendulani nokusebeshwami?
Yabuza ukanethini. Atifoni yakho sifela ngasepupeni.
Isisephupheni vele ubona iphopho shoot uyadream. Told me like Instagram. I'm like yo, like
do you know those guys who do this?
I love Instagram since it's changing. Since live nompura, I don't feel comfortable like going live on Instagram.
That's why moya wakho ungalelanga ukuthula ngoba wena
shoot ke ulalise ke wena ngoba
Hi guys. Hope you guys are good.
Izakuthi TikTok sihle.
Hello.
Tell me no matter like unga request as long as you comment.
Spelling you. You never let me anymore.
Because this snacks show me can't go live on IG, like honestly speaking.
Damn. A long time.
Tell me Ipupule or it Disneyland. Like that's rude. And like in the promote, ubus no ma enzi toro anyeke uzumkhuzi. So snacks. Ngicela ube injalo funa yami.
Don't you need dances? Bishop.
Ba sihle cause ubus uzongishaya.
Phela ngise-live
Because i-lighting ngasihle. Like ayikuthi ngiyashisa i-lighting ngasihle like
yeah.
Shoot kahle. Baba sihle. Ungayibisi iPhone 12.
True.
Mucho yakho la hala ubani kiyo. Thomi ngithi mina eze ku TikTok yakho noma commentile ayibhekile live it's fine.
But uzo comment that you. Tsamurubana ayibona. Ko live nyaka ngichala nthiwe.
Guys. Bye. Let me love and leave you guys. If you want me, you catch me or in the comment section.
Oh yay!
Bye baby. Ngifuna ukuthi msani
Ayathukana wena Galo.
Uze Jumne. Sharp.
Yeah. Hey, Kia. Guys, Kia doesn't nag me, but it's fine. Sekathola bangcono. Yo, guys, when last was I live? Just to greet you all, like, yo, kimonati bafito. Ow, Carlo.
I'm sorry.
Guys, Carlo is rough, yo.
I'm not.
Carlo, you're rough, bro. Like, yes.
Pumi,
Carlo makakshaya ngati, yo. Yo.
What's it in my settings?
Long time, buddy. Hey, man, say that again. Let's see, bro. Yo, I'm gonna go live. Yo, Ish.
Come
I'm planning influence.
Influence kaban? Ngazolingi.
Hello, uzowalker wena. Angazi code you.
Hello, young kappa, hey.
Angazi code you ithola.
Sihle.
Uzowalker.
Hey, beautiful people.
Come sit this side so they can see.
I don't want them to see
Come,
me.
man.
I don't want to. I don't want
not.
to. I just did.
Yo.
Like inywele zami Tom, like ziyangdepressa. Angifuna abantu bangibona nga-installanga. Bazongidelela. Exactly. So ke rata party eo.
Sure.
Like udom shem, like noma yini, like uyahleka uhleka.
Senake. Oh. Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Really, yo. Really, like for real.
Hey Tanzania, hey Zimbabwe. Oh, umusenelule unto lento leyo.
Thank you.
Ophumgado yangalali.
Thank you so much for me. Huh? Ay, nuka so.
Yazi uphumnukani? Unuka ipelepele. Like unuka ipelepele emnandi.
Emnandi.
Like unuka ifam. Like unuka in nature, like I don't know ngathi like it smells like a like ngiyasifuna.
Yo, as wayakufuna Phumi.
Hayi wena yovela udaka.
Thank you Minenhle. Thank you so much.
Thank you Minenhle nge-rose.
Thank you for the gift.
Rose.
But I appreciate it though. It's something.
Kanti sense na sis.
Ay, shut up. Unahana gore rose ki inkan.
Gift.
Exactly. So
sense for nge-rose. Exactly,
Exactly.
sasayibonga.
When are you announcing the winner?
Thank you, Pepper.
There's already a winner.
What winner?
And yeah, Tom actually announced it.
What winner?
Do you do birthday appearances? Yes, I do. But you need to email.
Happy birthday to you. Like upumia nyanyis komkelo atini.
So who won? You see that short Zep guy. But yeah, we're still gonna announce it properly.
Exactly.
So don't worry. Don't ask me about it. So did Lucy join? I don't know. We'll just check now. Thanks, Minentle King. We'll see like a bonus. Eh?
Get a bonus, it's
fell.
We are poor, Hashem.
Sorry.
Sihle, Kazaksu sihle ushlay.
I win. Only one person.
Chumanga pagi kopek to na pefung ham.
Ha? Luvine.
Okay, mina nya request.
Pamela, ngizocala ngeghost. Kuningitubula.
Unama ngitubulile.
Kuningitubula.
Angitubula kama jay short.
Like yo.
Like uyanyanyisa hey enezohamba.
Awu yotubula.
Sihle ngicela usethi ikope linye like ayisaphumi.
Usesa man.
Sihle like uyosoda ngo1 wena. And I mean like latest one I'm leaving. Like usihle unama ngizofuna salulala ngoba one angeke that won't gonna happen. That won't.
Sit here, man.
I don't want to.
Come.
Ungamforce.
Uza. Angikuforce, okay, hlala leke. Ngizwe.
Okay.
Sha, angikunceke phela mina.
Nama
Mina ngeke.
Mina ngiyakuncane.
Sencenga athi yawo.
Okay, it's
Mina
fine.
ngikunceke mina. Khola. Hayi khola.
Okay, ngicophe kenye ikopho.
Okay, ngicela uhlalela ngoba nami ngiyacela.
Okay, bhaka kenye ikopho ke.
Sharp, ngicela uhlalela.
Sukuma manje.
Obvious. Nawe hlala la. Sure.
Like usihle uyangithanda always
and
I have to
dog.
sit next to sihle to me like bheka ngicrust inywele zama bheka ngathi umbrella lana ngeke I ain't condition sihle when are you gonna perform at UK?
I was supposed to perform this December, but things went.
Do you have like international gigs?
Yeah, I have Abu Dhabi.
When?
The 21st.
Abu Dhabi
28th
cancelled.
No, Abu Dhabi, and then I have Zanzibar. So, yeah. Yeah.
Usnacks.
Mele ngihambe. Wena wayengafuni ngihambe.
Uhambelani?
Hayi, mele ngihambe. Mele ngenze imali.
Ngizokunikeza le mali bakubhatala malini? Including ama flights.
I can't say my
Ngizokurefunda. Okay, in rent. Ha! Thomas Tengiega mos.
I am man. Real Zanzibar.
Mas sithola ama features kanjani?
Sithola ama feature kanjani? My contacts are on my bio, so you can text there.
Bayikuma high features on my bio.
Ngatele yo.
Real Zanzibar. Yes, we're coming to Zanzibar.
Dude. Oh yes, dude. Please request it your sister's account.
Obando ubusi.
Please collaborate no Uzi. Hey Nina niyathanda ukukhulumiswa ne. Ngiyathanda ama talks.
Ama talks one.
Hayi.
Usnacks.
No, abantu ba snacks.
Honinki commenter busi asinandaba.
Hey, that's on my phone. Not on my phone. This is my phone.
So what did I do?
Yakhamise phone yakho.
Kunani?
Hayi, kanti
Phamina nginamavilezi. Like konke umuntu ukhalela amazinyo. Like you go to take it and fix your teeth to look like this. Exactly. So ke rata pati eo.
Hayi.
Izinja ezinjeni.
Emanjeni.
Amabhoba.
Emanjeni.
Emanjeni chompaka ke. Uyahleka. Chomconga ipibheka mina ngilambile shem.
Yakho.
Eyami. Phela mina ngishiye ibheka efull or even braces. Yes. I feel like my teeth are so perfect. Back. Uhlekani. Your teeth are also perfect. I'm not gonna lie.
My teeth are not perfect.
Tell me, balwela amazinyo ethu.
Amazinyo wethu. Yes.
Like ignore. Bye, babe.
No. Okay, you need to.
I know Phumi yahleka la khona bangithi bye babe.
Stop. Scalo, stop.
Guys, I love Phumi. Like Phumi he got sent. So nice. Onsako ubusi ne? I ubusa simi-ed. Usile. Sihle ibheka ngicela uyifudumeza.
Nala, I'm dead.
Who cares?
I'm dead.
You dead by what?
If I'm found here, I'm dead. We are in the same building. I'm dead.
Ungavuli camera sonke lesikhathi.
Vula kamera. Athi mfuthe ngalo.
Okay, into engakhulumisa igcoko yini?
Wena engakhulumisi ke bizini.
Mina like angifuni ukukhuluma because inywele zami. Okay, uyahleka. Uhleka usachubeke uyahleka. I'm not talking to you anymore.
Yo, Yo ya mina shemyangihlukumeza lo muntu.
Ngicela ubhake habi.
Oh,
Ngiyacela
ufuna
sis.
ngibhake habi.
Ngizokhuluma nobusi.
Kumele uzohlala la.
Khwe.
No.
Khwe.
Walifuna ukukhuluma nawe.
Awukhuluma nami.
Ngithi what if? Amazwi what if?
Okay, uyafuna ngenkani ukhala ngempama. Sihle ngicela
Thomi
ubhake.
sa tsamaya.
Ngeza chomi.
Ana ke tlo tsamaya live ke tlo joina after.
Umamele mina. Okay? Chomi, ngifuna ukuvenda. Like ngikhumbule indoda yami, anginandoda but ngikhumbulile le eyami. So wena uthini?
Ngithini kanjani?
Uthini kanjani like ubusa kana ma advice kanti wayibusa so?
Ukuqala nje uthi wena awunandoda so ngizothi indoda ayiphi mina.
Ngikhumbule eyami eyamaphupho. Uhleka like ubuthi uyahleka like why usahleka? Yeah? Angifuni. Ngifuna hey. Nayi. Like hey nigcwele. Busi. Uzongenzela favor right now before it clapana. Uzo request bani.
Ngeke.
Nomzimba weshwami.
Yo wena ngeke.
Asike busi. Uzo request bani.
Beke comment lapho bathi ukhumbule bani?
Wangayiboni? Yo, like abantu bayi Why ngikubuze why bangithulisa namaphara? Okay, why bangithulisa namaphara sithi? Why? Guys, why ngithulisa namaphara? Shothi mina angimdeserve Trevor no. Like inanyanyisa, like honestly. Umuntu wami, what if yakhona like you khona hate. Busi. Yangafuna ukuza.
Sure, I'm back.
Like guys, mina wonke ama exam amaphara. Like I don't even care. Like if you exam uyiphara. So ke rata pati eu.
Wa tola asondele.
Sunday.
Yeah, now we can continue.
Shabazz. Uzosinda ngoba uzosinda ngoba ngisebenza nebrand izongikhansela and ayikangibhadali. Okay, I see you again.
Anyways, when ngitshela ngama ex wakho, like nangikhumbula umuntu engigcine namhlanje. Ubani?
Snacks. Automatically siyazi.
Loyo. Shem. Why ngamtsheli ukuthi?
Like ngimbone namhlanje. Hayi peanuts, peanuts.
Mamela yes. Okay, ngiyazi ukuthi ayiloyo. Mina ngikhumbule umuntu ongibiza ngomfethu. Uyahleka. Uyahleka like ungibiza ngomfethu and like ngiyamthanda. Like ungibiza ngomfethu.
Ulo abamishinayo la.
Loyo ngi-upgrade la.
Sorry.
Hey, angidlali.
Tommy, lo wami wamanje.
Same girl, same.
Asiyeke.
Manje.
Abantu abajulayo ngomdlalo.
Wayebaxaxa.
Baziyobala ila.
Benza ngathi, oh, shuthi yena musu. Oh.
No, Tommy, mamela mina ne. Ngi-in life ngumuntu ongibiza ngontwana. That's the thing.
Bana yami.
Ngi-in life nomuntu ongibiza Tommy awungiplake ngabangani bakho.
Yena ubona umngani wena ubona uthando.
Why manje? Uyahleka.
Sorry.
Awukhonsoli.
Sorry.
Ikhonsoli.
Eish.
Ikhonsoli. Awungikhonsoli. I-right. Ngiyarequest.
Uyabuza ufuna ukuba sure i-right ne?
Like ngifuna ukuba sure.
What a good man.
Because awungikhonsoli.
Okay, I'm controlling you. That's all.
Hey Siri.
Yo!
Console. Why ahleka? Ironic.
Anyways,
No, ironic yangiqala. Why Siri wami yo Siri nama attitude tag.
React mais.
To me anyways. Usiri wami ulele vele kwasho 11 uyalala.
Zero wako yak mais.
Exactly. Show me.
yes.
It's hilarious.
Yo.
I choose to stay home.
Yazi angifuna ukuswerana and mina like ingqondo yami I don't swear anymore. But all my life I don't swear anymore.
It's up. Like, if I put out in tool.
Okay. Like ngicela sibe honest.
Hey.
Tell me. Show me.
Show me.
Come cake.
Come
Cake, mama kom cake.
Uphendulani? Wasini come cake? Uphendulani? Wasini come cake?
Sorry.
Show me come cake. Yo.
Tu, sengiphila nge-com cake.
Yo. Sure. Sorry, come cake.
Ngiyayazi Chomi kom cake and angazi ukuthi wayangiphendula so.
Yini com cake? Thank you for the roses. Eish. Bamchazela ukuthi yini com cake. Uhlekani? Chuthi umtshele nomuntu. Cela ni-unmute nihle. Na-unmute.
Akasangidubuli uza ngomhlolo.
Kom cake Chomi.
Wasini com cake? Ungakhulumi into straight, khuluma ngama.
Chomi ikom cake kom cake.
Umuntu engekho.
Like kom cake.
Yo, like come cake.
Kom cake Chomi.
Sekayazi Thumbi.
Chomi yazi kom cake engiyaziyo yini? Precisely
Yini?
ukuthi explainele yona. Like maybe like umuntu uzo like asiyeke. Uyahleka.
No, Thumbi. I'm listening. I'm here to listen.
Maybe like he
Khuluma.
Chomi ngithirazi like yiyo lengiyaziyo. Maybe like ngifuna amadoda mama kom cake. Like ngifuna ukuthi ngifike endaweni kom cake.
Iyahlangana nale yethu.
Chomi ayihlangani like that's what ile eyami.
Like come.
Uhlekele endlebeni yami. Like usahleka. Kom cake.
Oh,
So yeah, Chomi like
Like,
itabanyana
yeah.
tswawo.
Thumbi uthini kukhalo?
Ungitshele exact kom cake.
And so like
Safe space, like I understand.
How I got in 10? In 10. It's fine. It's fine. Cake.
I'm going to Soviet.
why? I'm like so wrong. Mama pipe. Nje when you princess.
Ah, the way my bag.
Wait, you put out bag.
Like baga com cake.
Okay, come on.
Thank you for the roses.
So chomikita banyana tijwao. So Lina on my side, com cake. Mara com cake.
Yeah, how?
Yaka. Like
Marana, na kom cake ya kasha.
na yaka he com cake.
Yeah, me kom cake.
Yeah, com cake.
Oh, strong.
Why am I com cake? Uyahleka yazi into khona.
Hi guys. It is up. Where did I get my key? I got it from our culture.
You pay 5K for a fine. You are ngeke. Kanti ubuso yangi.
Chomi. Funda la.
Le qala le ka le
Ngibona njani? Ngibona njani?
What's in John?
I feel like ile
Pinyaka buku.
or not leyo. Oyiyo.
Yona.
Bunta wena wapha, wayithi udlonga.
Calm down, calm down, calm down.
Sabize wenza.
Calm down.
But Esperanza.
Esperanza, zihle.
Oh, love Esperanza.
Australia.
Yes.
Anyway,
banguza ukuthi bani isinkwa sami. Yakhonakala mara.
Sasko.
Batshele Choba.
Chomthanda Alban, yesiphi isinko sithandayo?
Hayi.
Luribo.
Batshele Choba.
Vurubotshela wena.
Yo!
Okay, mina ngicela ukufind out hane. Ngiyamuse like ngifuna ukufind out.
Okay. Makakhosa yazi ukuthi like nina niyezwa mina ngizwa next.
Thoma ngisho niyazi.
Mute. Kanti nosathane. Hayo. Thank you so much.
Anyathekela shengukalo.
To me like it's fine, yes, but like nginemibuzo mara ayingiyibuze la.
Whoa, buza imibuzo kodwa ungabi.
Like kanti nawe.
Usho ukuthi mina.
It's unlike her.
Choba batshele ukuthi so.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, ngoba like for real. Okay, pa, guys. Pot la. Phumi for in. Ngizoma ngo2. Azoba khona ama bolts.
Yo. Uthi ukalo uthi.
Ngakhona like all day.
Hey.
Asiphuze choma yake nje likhulu. Marabusi wena.
Ukalo uthi.
Honestly, like ufunani lapha? Like ufunani? Like wonke umuntu useka
amarashe mina bayazi
Chomi simute ngoba izindaba ya
hayi bayazi
Lilini. Ngoba byang.
are you on YouTube? Is it what name subscribe if I have YouTube on this phone? What in road?
Rude.
Marapungani.
You can. But if you're offensive, like I would literally block you.
Mina ngicabanga video call lo mfana.
Yo.
Enangazi ukuthi uzobona kanjani because ngifuna ukumtshengisa yena. Eish. Why uthi? Choma ngisena space ngidelete Uber shona.
Yo. Nabela abanye abantu ngiyababloka vele.
Offline.
Ukhana vele mina. Angizwani noduty. Inkinga ukuthi bengekho attentive on this live video.
Attentive ngani?
Abantu bakhuluma uduty jo. You guys are rude, yo.
You guys are rude. And then mina ngizoni confront and ngitsa. That's one thing about me.
Sekafonela umfana.
Angifonela umfana.
Okay.
Athumede u.
Intombazana.
Why ungaveli? Chomi kuphele mina ke sana. Like ipheli one.
Hayi wena.
Accepted the wrong person. I didn't see. How sihle bathi uthi wasofi.
Hello Poppy.
hey
Ngicela no sihle.
anyways wena uthini
Isingu.
yeah
Ngifuna ukutshengisa isingu. Manje angazi ukuthi ngizokutshengisa kanjani. Bheka.
yazi awubonisi mina kuphela ne ubonisa nabanye
Bheka.
ne
Uyabona?
Akaboni lo.
It's hi Poppy. Upoppy.
hi
Ubusi.
hi friend
Chomi ifoni yami iphumye emuva nangu.
iphupho
Chomi ifoni yami iwila kusiphupha Puphelile. Chomi yile bafana na.
get the room
Uyile bafana.
get the room
Get in.
make the baby
Uthini Chomi?
Imbobo Kimberly hold no ngapha.
Chomi Kimberly ngani? Nimang Chomi.
Man, I say.
Okay, Kimberly hold the man. Kimberly hold the man. So many shows as with story share must. Usna. Mina lagi dia khalet Kimberly hold.
Nikela nikhuluma ngamakhimbali.
Utakiwe ne?
Calvin
Utakiwe.
Mara ngani boyfriend chuma.
mean
Ngekho ngiyakuzwa ukuthi utakiwe.
what the hell is a boy
Boy, don't tell other bad boys. Busi has a girlfriend.
Sikwasihle.
Women love women. Chumbe mtoka kumbuzike. Batele chumbe.
Like kumbuzile kumbuzwa.
Ayikazi ngikhahlele idonti bese bayangifika.
Hayi. Wena ungipholile today because why?
uthi batshelani
Ngithi ngibatshela ukuthi
Because why?
ukuthini
ayichomi uzothi wena ngikhahlele idonti bese mina ngeke emacaleni.
into uyayisebenzisa i-message ukalo la wena uyasolisa kalo
next ke mina ke mina
uyayisebenzisa i-message
yeah
into manifuna ukungitshela yona eceleni text me on your phone
uyazi i-message yakhe i-message of the iCloud uyahleka
kungcono ngoba uyazicorrecta yazi
to the iCloud yakhe yenza mina ngiyazi ukuthi yenziwe kanjani lento leyo as long ngithayiphile ayifuck
that's why usisolisa wena
Imnike chomi.
yeah athi phela ngitexta wena awuyazi
ufuna
okay, so like you are gonna talk to me now that they are gone and stuff, you know what is up, chat.
Uthini?
Ngiyangizwa.
Sakuba. So yo guys, I'm gonna tell you.
Anyways, we're back. They are gone and stuff, you know. Like yeah guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing festive like I am. Okay, so far it's good.
Ufuna ukubona indaba zethu.
See what you say
Hayi.
because ziningi lezinkwa so ngifuna ukubona ukuthi usho sithi
Khuluma kunini.
Yes akaba neziningi waza khuluma kalo.
bona uthe siphi ngitshela Chomi
Chomi mamela ngimtshelile mina.
utheni
No, uqali unendawo ziningi
Ngimtshelile mina isinkwa sakho.
No.
what did Sihle say
Ungitextile manje?
No. I didn't text you on my iCloud.
no
Yes.
Hayi man. Uzobona indaba zami
Ngifuna
sikhuluma
ukubheka ukuthi
ngabantu.
ukhona
Mina
before.
nobusi man.
I'm not going to your iCloud I'm going here
Ngiyabosha.
No, in. You know what? Don't text the fast.
Wait, on your iCloud.
Let Carlo text me on my iCloud.
Wait, let me give her your number. On
when I'm
WhatsApp.
telling you
On WhatsApp.
what's the isinkwa
Isinkwa sakhe.
esam
Esakho.
Sikhuluma ngawe.
okay
Asikhuluma ngawe Carlo manje.
mina ukhuluma ngawe
Hawu kanti nina bengakhuluma ngawe.
like Napora cause like why do you khuluma izinto
I love you too, ACBT. Guys, this life is so funny. Guys, it's one. Cause I can't say it on the live because now it's gonna happen on this account too. Whatever happened to my account, it's gonna happen on this account too if I say it. In cake, not cake as in cake. No. Do understand?
Oh, delicious.
Chomi wena uthathe like ucabanga wrong
Asikhulumi ngesinkwa sakho la.
sakho
Sikhuluma ngesinkwa sakho.
sami mina nakudala ukuthi ukhuluma ngesinkwa sami
Goodbye Snoop.
esami asilunywa okay like ithi ne esami silunya yimi kuphela
Okay.
mara kuma obvious siyalunya
Of course.
exactly
Ngiyakuza diversity. Oh my gosh.
nasi
Uthini?
It's nasi isinkwa sami.
Oh,
Chomi sami uyasazi.
Sras. Ngiyasazi.
Angisho nizokhuluma sini, umtshele isinkwa sami.
Kanti wayengangitext ngifuna kakalo manje.
Okay, singimsendela mara hello, calm down. You need to calm down. Let's start again. What are you saying?
Ubathi badlela isinkwa kalo.
Angibangisebenzi.
Angiphile, ulahle. Ongento sana.
Guys, Chomi. People think I'm into like feminine girls.
So nibatshele wena ukuthi into what?
Whatever I'm into is what I'm into.
Oh, you don't need to explain it.
Umuntle. Hey.
Makaya o ratana le magilisi. Isinkwa sika dali ngubani?
You don't text them.
Hayi.
You don't text them.
Ngicela bese kaphuhlukile and ukhuluma umuntu wrong. Athi isinkwa sami ubabu like ngamenza ubabu mara.
Phela we.
So
Get the room.
Ish, I need a room.
Chomi isinkwa sami Albani uthanda wena.
Sounds so.
Lesi sinezinto amapelepele.
Pele.
Yo.
Esiphi isinkwa sakho wena?
Always. Yangizana. The whole week. Only man. Ngizokutshela. Ish. Yaphapha lona yo. Kalo man. Ngizokutshela isinto sami.
Asiyeke lezizinkwa because ezizinkwa
Hayi why? Siyekelana.
isinkwa sami khona ezinye izinkwa.
Mina esitshele. Mina like isinkwa mara kusingwa like yayazi i-croissant.
Chomi, ungangitshela ukuthi i-croissant ne mari AA. One thing about bona, nasi.
Bapi.
Mina ngibona ngesami.
Inkinga like asifani.
Asifani. Mina sami ile sinkwa lesi esidinga.
Maka like i-croissant yakho phela ngisho if yethe khona AA khona croissant. Croissant yakho mayibonisa
Ufuna ukuba i-croissant yami. No. I don't need a croissant. No.
moyilume
Mina yama ngibona.
manje mawuluma i-croissant nelikwena ukuthi no man, it's a different type of bread.
Mina yami
Wena uyabona ngisho, yabona thina.
mina leso sidinga ukuslice sami sasespire. Hleka. As long mina nesikhathi sami.
Okay. People say you are bisexual. People say a lot of things. Yeah, neglected.
Are you consistent?
No,
Why?
because something is happening to my YouTube AdSense, and that means but hacking, so I need to fix that.
Oh, okay. But our subscriber, iPhone na YouTube. I'm asking, like, I've never.
What's in no kuchum?
Show me, my kasi po na YouTube. iPhone, gantom.
Constipation.
Detachable ZE.
Wait. Show me. You text me for tell us something.
Thina makazomele ngiphume lana.
No.
Hey, type of phone. Type of phone.
Eh?
Abantu bami ke ngiyeza. 2 seconds.
La Pepe. Ne.
Yeah, on.
Ne.
On.
This is so not nice. Yeah. Whoa, wait. Let me look for that comment. Ish, ekok I. Wait. Hi guys.
Mara, utla bua Mara. Oh, guys. Okay, it's in big my comments. It's in team. What is okay sound? Thank you.
And it's a guy one. You haven't voiced
Lucy, can I see your outfits? About home.
Show me.
Ni textile ngale nabale.
Ngisendele. Why ungitexta ku WhatsApp ngithini texte kunto?
On la Pepe.
No, ukalo angitexta ku WhatsApp.
Ni textile
Textile ku WhatsApp.
Ngithe angangitext ku WhatsApp.
Uzokutext ku WhatsApp chom.
Ni texte pi. I message.
Ku iMessage kalo.
It's in into yakhe. iCloud.
We tell you.
Uphumle.
Yamazi phela ngisho.
Okay, like it's in iCloud yakhe. And like mina angikhathi ngasebenzisa iMessage. We add up.
Kosi and Lucy, can you please sing a happy birthday song to
Happy birthday. Yeah.
happy birthday. Busihle. Let me go textile man.
Yeah?
Go textile.
Awang araba.
Conservation's Glamazon with 3Z and 3S.
Get it?
I get you, don't know.
Chomi, I literally saw that comment and I said,
Are we doing our hair this weekend?
You guys are so wrong. You guys are so fucking wrong.
You said what you
Nina.
Make your phone guys.
I'm sorry.
Like they have to pay because like it's on the live.
Nina.
Now on Thursday. Now on Thursday. Ha. Singa positive. Ahlangane nabantu. Ngiyabuza athi mina ngumuntu. With the double 3 and the double Z's. It feels like conservations obhadalwayo. Like Tabaga. Yona e ba sa rating karata eo.
Joburg is full of characters joined. Joburg is full of characters joined by one of them right about now. My lady introduces
Busiphinda. Izwa. Busiphinda.
Joburg is full of
Oh.
Joburg is full of characters joined by one of them right about now. My lady, introduce yourself. What is your name? Conservation Lemazan.
Like why I'm seeing that videos like why? Kuyasebenza kabe ulada.
I'm done. I'm scared. Yo, uhlala. Yo.
Guys, like it different from no constipations, hey. Because constipations. It's untold. I think in you and then got some constipations. Maracho me bona vel. Like got constipations. Marangulo constipations ogezayo. Busata kibo. Busata kibo. Marangin you like I ain't blame you. Not to constipations, but with the double N and the double 3 N.
Guys, yeah.
You know what you make me say? Okay,
I'm just talking constipations. Okay, anyway.
And then who yeah?
And who yeah? Like over the one big message I go over the one like my answer le in the constipations.
you make it.
I ucabe ubusukusendela message wathi bathi. Okay buthi enza ukuthi ungayisende efonini yami yini? Hey guys.
Bengafuna uphuma lana.
Like Fede, it's fine. Mina vele nje like employing No, it's fine. Like inkinga yami ukuthi ngokulo constipations obhadalwayo.
Wena unokubuyela ku-constipations.
Chomo undaba uyangikha mina I love constipations.
Why unokubuyela?
We 3Z and 3S.
What music for it? Mine's like I feel like
people like connection.
no, I feel like with negative people, like, why I don't mind. It's because of who's a good moon or negative. Like so when I was also do look on.
Utheni?
Like so sharp, cause like and I get simple to listen to and stuff like.
Utheni ngisendela message lapho kalo.
Bafuna ukuthi sibathuke sithende kabi
Oh, like, yeah, I'm gonna tell you, I've never loved like that in a million.
Oh, uhleka mina basically.
Oh, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Chumi yakufihlela ukufihlela ifoni kalo. Fihlela wena.
Mfihlelani cause ngikhuluma nothando. No, ngifuna babone.
Sa.
Nawu ufuna ukubona.
Ngikhumbula.
Ngikhuluma nothando. Ufuna ukubonani? Ama message lami nothando adi.
Kodwa ubonisa abantu live.
Exactly.
But like anginbonisanga ama chat.
Ungabusa explain mandoda. Oh,
Shwephu. Cong iphiheni.
Angiyazi
Chom kanti wayengasethi ngi-request ngikithi
ayovaya
like ngicosheka sihla asusihla ngayicabanga ngiyabona ngabe ubusukhona ngaba ngihambi like for real.
but hey, John, akabuyi
Ubani?
isihlile kulo.
Mina. Ukufihla.
Usihle. Wenzani?
Uyabhaka.
Akaqede.
Ngiyazi muphuthando because I talk to Thando.
Jomi, ngitexte manje. Ungitshela ukuthi sinka
Mina.
sithini? Yeah, esami.
Ngicela ukusazi like for real.
Anyways.
Ngiyasifuna ukusibona isinkwa leso.
Wawenza ngathi awazi. Yakhonakala ma.
first time azotbi 3ZNFS
Double N.
Uthi
yo
Dotha wani.
Ngisho mase ngifuna ungitshela isinkwa.
Ayo. Hawu yeka siyami.
Okay.
Angithi Facebook lana ne. Ukalo usenda amatot like bangithi Facebook.
Wonke umuntu yazi.
Khona lo uthi anti ngiyasasikhosa kabusubani.
Makujeleni ngithi isinkwa manje.
Yeah.
Ngikuthekile mase ngathi isinkwa. Exactly ngicela ungitshele leso sinkwa.
Utsho.
Cho mina uloku uyarasa uthi uye vele. Abakuzwanga. And yeye angitshela ubuso uyabhola but why don't you stay ngeke?
Abulalwa.
Ubani uthokulalwa?
Comment nje. Comment umuntu akho.
Cho mina ngicela ungitshele isinkwa hleng.
Heban.
I feel like isinkwa sakhe ilesi singalunya siqinile. Yeah, isakhe but naye akakhona ukusiluma mnikazi. Why ngafuna ukungitshela? Okay, why ngafuna ukungitshela?
Scarlet. Uthi akona ukusiluma.
Okay, ubani?
Yeso.
Bani?
Yes.
Ihle.
Ngithe yiso. Uthi lokutshela. Yo, Thanindaba. Yo. Thanindaba shame. Thanindaba ukalo. Siqinile. Hey. Wow, shocking. Siluma. Isinkwa sakho. Thatha ngikwazi ukusiluma. Yinti yani? What? You shoot a video of peanuts. Yeah. But I don't know when he's gonna post the banger. Yeah. Well. So, yeah. Where is the nangathi ngimncane mina ngibhizi ngalive la Sifuna ukwazi isinkwa sakho nathi. Hayi.
Chombi siyayibona.
Ngiyambona ngiselapha.
Chombi senyasazi.
Text.
Man, kali.
For the fact that said akafuna ngumtshela. Akinamtshela. Angeke beke ngimtshela ukuthi ngitshela into wrong.
Yo, I mean, ashemba zothi ngikukhuluma idonga.
Awufuna ukungitshengisa isinkwa sami?
Wena sitshele wena ucanga ukuthi ubani?
Nangiphi lapha ku WhatsApp.
Angifuni.
Ngizokutshela.
Ngeke ngimtshele
Ngibakile amakhekhe ngibaka naye.
Ngizokutshela.
Ngitshele kuqala.
Ayisuka phela shutha ufune ukwazi. Qiniso.
Like ubusiyadelela hey.
Bathi Chombi uyadelela.
Ngitshele.
Bamba.
Chombi mina bengizokutshela bona ngabe ngitshela ngabe dala ngam-text. Wena I feel like ngicambela ama.
Angicambela manga mara. What if usihle lesinkwa sakho nina lisanyela.
Sihle. Skobinki.
Ifithini girl mara kalo mara.
No what if?
Sanyela.
Skobinki.
Oh.
Skobinki.
Idiyo vele lip gloss.
Iyo.
Wayengabhalanga.
Iyo.
Yo, ngathi ngisephupheni manje nami.
Oh, what do you mean nami?
Kayenzeka kalo. Ayicala ngawe. Hey, wait. I need my second device.
Man. Man.
Ngikuthini indaba kalo. Fana mafuna abantu.
Uyasothi ngasamsihle. Sibonisa.
Ay Chombi.
Ha?
Ngimtshelile Chombi.
Esami. Yo.
Esakhe.
Nasi esami. Esami asaziwe.
Masuke wangithembisa.
Bathengisa.
Ungababamba Chombi. Bazosifuna ukusiluma.
Chombi. Wena message yami.
Ima. Angibonanga Ima.
Babu.
Hayi. Mfana like.
Ngabeni wakhe.
Amtshele. Mina ngimtshelile ngikhahlelwe idonki nawe uyazi.
I hope amtshelanga ngowami sihlule. Sihlomtshela
ukuthi ukwazi sami.
Angitshelanga ngaye. Mbuze ngesakhe ugali uzokutshela.
Ngikutshela
Wena
ngesakhe.
kalo.
Ethi ngifuna umngane.
Kalo.
Wena
mawungibhekile ubona ngiyitype yokuba nesinkwa.
Lesakutshele ngaso.
Angazi next.
Mina sho ngiyayithemba.
Wena ubona ngingumuntu ukuba nesinkwa ngosema.
No Chombi when uyitype kuba nepapa.
Indeqinile. Something to stick in the stomach.
Wena uphethe idombolo. Leli besilidla namhlanje Chombi. Sweet. Chombi. Sekumele ya video le lama video lawa ku YouTube eswabukela. Lawa mele baqede. La mele baqede that's gone.
Oh yeah.
Sinkwa sakakaka.
That dry is gone.
What?
Try.
Baby, try. You can't even swallow.
Can't even chew.
Ay, wena Shem, awuthandwa abazali, awunabazali. Ngathanda ukhuluma eRanish. And that's why I'm keeping her out of current.
Tell me.
My phone gasisi. Wow. Manje uzihambilani?
Lona.
Manje uzihambilani? Ayi.
Yazi wenzani? Ucela ukuthi ngimrequestele ne and then ungisendele imali. Kanti imali yakhe iyashoda. Kufanele ngigcwalisele. Cabanga. Shoot nge-100 rand. Uyasa imali engakanani?
Why?
Phela Chomi. And angeke ngikhuluma ngisebanga nenamba yakhe ngabe nje ngamsendela uba yakhe. Ubeshoda imali yakhe. Bekangiselele ngiyazi Busi, yabona lo obifanayo. Ethi ngimsendele kwa Chomi isikselele WhatsApp.
Hey. Kaluyakhuluma.
Giving fan vibes. Like
Chomi. Shut up.
Chomi. Sure.
Yeah, sure.
I message Chomi.
Chomi, I'm sure yes. Man. Ish, susa levi.
Anyways, I got it.
Yeah, so I got that you got the motion. Don't saba.
I got it.
Don't saba.
Ngithi mina uyibonile?
Yeah, ngibonile.
And we copy and paste.
Yo, bonini.
Chomi.
Ngibonile, Chomi.
English, please. Mother tongue, please.
Oh. Mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
Because Busi is easy.
Yeah?
But untaka kavuke ngoba usebenzisa ifoni yakhe.
I'm not such a kamnandi nobusi. Mali.
Chomi, I feel like if we're not in the mood, then we're getting to it.
Akonala mar.
Wasibona?
Ngibona ngo. Very special.
Nyamba ngo-2% kanjani? Nyamba mina ngiya-requesta manje.
Oh wena. Usabe kama ebusuku kanje.
Chomi, like kufanele ngiyenzeni? Uhlekani?
Chomi izwa.
Official Gallo, you give me life.
Chomi.
Oh. Ay. Mas screenshot. Chomi.
Utabe.
Yeah.
Double tap at the back. Mama ukalo uthi yena. Bangera eku izinaba enkhona. Bawuzohamba.
Chomi, ngiyahamba manje.
Ngithi mina angithi wena uthe if bengikhona.
Uphozile.
Yini ngiphozile? Phoza mina.
Uphozile Chomi.
Manje into
Yini ngiphozile? Aphozile guys. That's it. Ngilengolalwa. Uphoze bona, yabo? Phozanga mina. Ngilalwa manje guys.
Bekuwe Chomi.
Makayazi mina.
Ikoshaya mara live
Uyali hivi moyala.
mina ngifuzile. Ngikhuluma phela. Nail inspo. Ngisamele isinkwa ukuthi sisende nail inspo. Ya guys, ngibona ngiyithappha phela isinkwa mina.
I'm going to tell her one day, guys. Isinkwa sakhe. Ish mama ngizo-expose into ezibhayo.
Nawe ngizobatshela esakho.
Yeah.
Esiphi sakho vele?
Hey.
Wow.
Hayi sengiyabona ukuthi ulahlekile lo. Brown nini isinkwa sakho. Hey. Athana maklo. Ngasinkwa man guys. I don't have a sink. I don't have a bread. Ngasinkwa. You know, it's from the like Pinterest and stuff. I just haven't gotten the time to actually sit down and look. And also to think of when like I'm actually gonna do my nails.
Tell me, ati ngitombo. Yo.
That's what you talking about.
What's ngitombo? Yo.
It's Pablo. Uban Pablo. Ah,
Yes. Kalento eyenzayo.
Angifuni ukuzwa next. Ungalingi ungitshela ukuthi ayikho into magezi ngiyakutshela.
Oh, angeke ngicela ngizokuthatha.
Ubone message yami Chom?
Chomi ngiyibonile ibone yimi.
And uyibonile.
Angibonanga for real. Ngiyakutshela.
Yabo.
Oh, sorry.
Chom check make sense yabuzi. Ah, hey, why you?
So guys, so 6 morning.
Mbeke.
Yeah, come on. Let's go.
Ubani lo uphethe?
Thank you. Oh.
Tina wa Mastina.
Nya. Hey. Kathela ukukhuluma.
Nani?
Ayi wena sapapa. Thabang. Ish. Ngene ngikathazo Nkosi yami.
Anti Tina wena wazini.
Like only
Hana biao tu.
because when I realize sabiao.
Yeah. Ish. Ang katalewan. Hey. I forgot that this is not my life. I can't remove people. We'll see. Or actually, I find out that's the thing. I'm not dating.
Wayesikhuluma
Mbona?
ifike nini ezinkweni? Ene besikhuluma ngesinkwa sakagalo la.
Hayi samkhulu.
Awukhululeka mama.
Khululeka mama.
Makanisho yami.
Lesa isinkwa esinengculazi. Esihamba umhlaba wonke. Lesa. Ngiyasekisa lento leyo ukuthi ngabatshela ngesikho sabasa ngitshela ngaloyo. Yiyo.
Hey,
Why are you using
that's why, Carlo.
Msapo's account? Because account can't get into TikTok. Like.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyazi ngikhathaza.
It's Msapo.
Nanya makhalile publish ngambupha lonke. Like lonke, not even half, like lonke lephelele. Umuvi kaloyo at least movie kithi ngiyi-1 ifamily yami yinhle kini nonke ngendwende from first born to last. Nakhona bathi umuhle ungathi uyazama because like mafaka icategory bathi umubi or umuhle akekho maybe.
What's in your mouth?
Hayi, dollar phela manje.
Ubani thola no Pablo? Bathi ubani thola no Pablo too?
It's true.
Mina yiwo.
Lapho ngikhalele.
Yo, chomi yo.
Oh, cake.
Cake. Mama cake.
Mama cake.
Hey, chomo bani lo khachi bani. Hey.
Bani chamla. Ibu only happy. Ibu okay.
Ibu ngikhona uphethe chomi.
This is the first one.
Impressa bani?
Okay, really.
Hibo, inbox.
Phone yami ngithike kuba phone yaka ngithike Uber.
Yeah, bafethu nya sengithanda nibe
Yo, thank you.
Right now.
Hibo, Valelis.
Ukalutha usaba ukuthi ngizoma.
Uzoyifaka yonke.
No. Bye.
Yiyo le.
Bye, sweetie.
Kata nam.
Ima kancane.
Oh, hey. Choma sambe.
Mangi-request.
Ayithi sizokufonela.
Video call.
Okay. Mina, chola.
Ngithanda blind. Ngithanda ngiyangithola ne. Ayibusi.
Oh, bye.
Dude. Ay abuzwa lokho. Hello. Okay guys. Santana guys. Santana blind. Don't forget.
Bye, the message. Yo. Ha. Ngizizwa kahle. Bye.
Bye guys. Bye sweetheart. Talk to you now.
Peace, Chomi.
Call Chomi.
Oh, okay.
Hey, yeah.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Right. Okay, let me just say bye to them. Okay, guys, love y'all. Was great. Had a great time, yeah?
Bye, guys.
Had a great time. Shout out to
Bye, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
The biggest OG. You understand? If you don't know the name, forget about it. Forget about it. Yeah. But otherwise, probably I'm gonna be live tomorrow. But when Galo is here, because isibindisa ama-live angisenazo kodwa
Why?
ngizoba live ningasabi ngizoba live ngoba mamelani ngizoba live. But yeah, amongst anything and everything, don't forget to pray, slay every day. Ngithanda blind.